Today's job's a breakdown on the Viessmann 300. This 300 supplies 3 zones, supplied by the divicons. Far left is towel rails, and then the first floor and ground floor. These are supplied off a low loss header. It's very similar to close coupled T's. Main difference is velocity. So a low loss header has a velocity inside of below 0.5 meters a second, whereas close coupled T's could have a velocity up to 1.5 meters per second. Internal pump in the boiler on the return here supplies the water to our low loss header, and then each of the divicon pumps supplies its own individual circuit. Hot water is run by an external pump with a standard domestic 1560 pump here, and that runs off over the top here and feeds a hot water cylinder, which is too big to get in the camera over here. Fault today, when I interrogated the boiler, the outside temperature was reading 36 because the outside sensor was faulty. So this is the outside sensor, this is a box it goes in. Basically all it is a little thermistor, and connects directly. £61 for that. Little sensor, list price, not too cheap. But, anyway, that's faulty one. I fitted the new one outside. We're now registering correct temperature outside, 14. And at the moment we're giving the house a bit of a boost, or we've just been giving the house a bit of a boost rather. We've turned it down already. It took us about 15 minutes to get the house back up to temperature, and now we should be running with a flow temperature. It's probably still too hot from, it's running hot water at the moment. So it's only running at the moment to do hot water. But the flow temperature I'd expect to see is about 26 degrees in order to keep the house at 21 inside when it's 14 or 15 degrees outside. So you can imagine very, very little gas, almost nothing happening in order to keep that house really nice and cosy. Other people will be putting up with a cold house, but not with a weather comp boiler. It will be cosy. So